Stop using your lotion as your face cream because the facial skin is more thinner and more sensitive, more than the body skin, okay? And most body lotions are very thick, which tends to cause redness, discolorations, dryness, acne, and other things on your skin, on your face when you apply the lotions on your face, okay? So it is therefore advised you stick on applying only face moisturizers on your face, especially when you're having a sensitive skin, okay? So it's not advised to apply your lotions on your face unless you convert it using these 3 magical powders I'm about to mention in this video.
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your star mom here as always, and on today's video I'm going to be telling you the 3 things that you can use in order to convert your lotions, your face and body lotions, into face cream that can enhance your skin and give you that perfect glow. Okay, if this is your first time coming across my channel, I'm going to welcome you specially. So you're highly welcome. Do yourself a favor and become a member by hitting that subscribe button and turning on the notification bell beside the subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video and comment down below, okay? But if you are a returning subscriber, you know for sure that my love for you is so massive, very, very massive, and you already know what to do. So give the first timer space to feel comfortable on the front seat and make sure they subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. So going down to the business of today, I'm going to be telling you the ways to convert your lotions, your face and body lotions, into a face cream. Okay, so we have to be fast on this one because the weather is very hot and I will soon start sweating. You understand? Okay, you can convert your body lotion into face cream by using those 3 magical products. I call them 3 magical. I call them magical because they do wonders. All right, so number 1 is you can use a miracle powder. Number 2, you can use a 3D Frutamine powder, and you can also use a Snow White powder. Okay, so starting from the miracle powder. Miracle Skin Healing Powder is a fast action herbal spot remover, which is specifically made to treat dark spots, burns, stretch marks, to clear dark knuckles and other skin irritations that are caused by harsh skin products. Okay, this miracle powder is for all skin type and it does not whiten the skin. Okay, it can be used for all skin type, like if you're having a fair skin, a light skin, a dark or chocolate skin, you can use this miracle powder by mixing it with your cream. So you can easily mix your body lotion, your face and body lotion, with the miracle powder to turn it into a face cream by, like, for instance, this is my body lotion, okay, my face and body lotion, PR Plus Gold. Okay, this is my body lotion, and this is a little container. In order to be sure that this miracle powder is okay for your skin, okay, that it won't cause you irritations and all, I would advise you bring in your face and body lotion like this, and then you get a small container like this and dish out some of the lotion into a container, then slightly pour in little amount of the miracle powder in the container containing your lotion, and then you mix. This miracle powder is brown, okay, so you don't need to put plenty of it so that it will not turn dark. As you're putting it in your cream, be mixing it to know how it's going. Okay, once it changes the color of your cream and turns brown, you stop there and start applying it on your face. Okay, so you can start applying it on your face, then apply this on your body. But in the situation whereby you do not want to mix it with your lotion, you can easily apply it directly by mixing the miracle powder with honey, okay, and apply it on your face like face mask. Leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then after a while, you now do what? You now steam your face. If you don't know how to steam your face, you can check out my other video there, how to steam your face. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video on how to steam your face. So you steam your face with warm water in addition of lemon, yeah, like add lemon into the water you want to steam your face with, then allow it to steam for like 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, then you can clean off the paste thoroughly from your face and you'll see the changes. Okay, that is if you don't want to mix those miracle powder with your cream. Okay, so going over to the second one, which is the 3D Frutamine Powder. It's a fast action powder which helps to clear rashes from your body. It also helps to clear dark spots. It has the same, almost the same similarities with the miracle powder, just that this 3D Frutamine powder lightens the body, okay? And if you know you don't want to lighten your skin, like you dark or chocolate, and you want your skin to remain like that, I would advise you go for the miracle powder. But because this 3D Frutamine powder and lightens your body in 7 days, okay, you start seeing visible results within 7 days, while the miracle powder you can start seeing results in 14 days, okay? And it also helps to clear stretch marks. Unlike the miracle powder does not clear stretch marks, but it prevents stretch marks, like in an area of your body that you do not have stretch marks, okay? If you keep on applying the miracle powder, you will never have stretch marks in those areas. Like if you mix it with your lotion and be applying it on your body, you will not have stretch marks in those areas. But the 3D Frutamine powder helps to clear those stretch marks if you keep applying it consistently on your skin. So you can also do the same thing you did to the miracle powder to this 3D Frutamine powder by bringing your body lotion, you face some body lotion, and then scooping out a little of it, then add small portion of the 3D Frutamine powder into it and turn it, okay? If you turn it, once it turns brown, you stop and start applying it on your face, okay? You will see how your face will brighten up, lighten up within 7 days, and it will clear rashes, dark spots, and all, okay? It's very good. After using your 3D Frutamine powder and you kept it, then next time when you want to mix your lotion again and you go there to realize that the 3D Frutamine powder has kicked, like it has turned into solid, it's no longer in powdery form, it is not a waste, it is still good, okay? What you need to do is just to dissolve it with distilled water or warm water or even rose water, okay, and mix it with your lotion, okay? So going over to the third one, which is Snow White powder, also known as crystal white powder, is a natural whitening powder which can also be added to your lotion and to your cream, okay, to enhance the perfect skin for you, like to give you the perfect skin, okay? It enhances your beauty, it clears dark spots, it clears dark knuckles, it clears rashes, pimples, and it's also used to clear dark underarms. This Snow White powder is very soluble in water, okay, and it has a stable pH level of 0.5 to 6.5. all right? So if you want to naturally whiten your skin, like lighten your face, you know, most people's body are even lighter than their face because the sun tends to hit more on their face, unlike their inner parts of the body, okay? So in order to make sure that they rhyme, when you get your Snow White powder, you can dissolve it in water and add it to your cream, thereby applying it on your face, and you see the result. So if you don't want to brighten your face, if you do not want to lighten up, I would advise you go for the miracle powder, okay? Like I said, it's for all skin type. It doesn't whiten you, it only helps to clear dark spots, acne, and also to prevent stretch marks, while the 3D Frutamine powder helps to brighten up your skin, prevent rashes, dark spots as well, and also clear stretch marks, all right? While the Snow White, also known as crystal white, can be used to brighten up your skin. It has more brightening effects than the 3D Frutamine powder, all right? And it can also be used to clear dark underarm. You can apply it directly on your skin, or you can dissolve it and mix it in your cream, lotion, or even scrub, okay? But I will advise you moisturize your skin the natural way by the use of aloe vera, which soothes and hydrates your skin. Or you can naturally moisturize your face using milk because it has a natural inflammatory properties, okay? So in case you have any question or any suggestion or any cream you want me to review for you, do not hesitate to drop it down in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to turn on that notification bell that appears beside your subscribe button, okay? And give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and do not forget to drop your comments down in the comment section. Okay, see you next time in this same channel. Star Mom loves you now and always. Bye.